Hello guys, I just want to film a quick video of me getting a couple of long trades on the back of the news of the interest rates being cut by 25 basis points, which is of course bullish. They did pump to the upside and now they're making a move down. What they're doing now is trying to build longs at the lows of the profile before actually moving up. So I just want to see the 3 trades down. I want to buy at the lowest point, at the lower points right here at the value area lows, because I don't want to buy at premium high prices right now that we are at. So yeah, I'm using micros, of course. I'm using very little size. The range is very small, to be honest. For the FOMC day, S&P moved like 20 points in the whole session. Nasdaq moved, I think, like 70 to 80. So yeah, the ranges are very small. I still didn't see that pullback that I want. I want to see prices break this low, maybe come into this 20, sweep maybe this low, and then go up. So let's see. We gotta be patient. Wait for the right opportunity. We can also sell from the highs right here, but it's very risky to do that because everyone is just buying right now. So this is the Nasdaq chart, this is the S&P chart. Accidentally went long there, or short. That's a big offer, 122. Let's see if they can transact on it. I'm just gonna mark that off. So there's the drop that I told you guys about. They always like to drop before they move up. Do you see how sharp that move that was? Imagine now I was FOMOing and I just wanted to go long on the back of the good news. But we all know they like to drop first and then move up. So I'm just gonna build my positions down here. Use a bit more size on the S&P. And then go long as price moves up. So I just want to see price get into this big offer and see how they react. If they will break it with these, if we will see those 1,000 buyers coming in to break that point, or if not. I just need to increase the market depth, like so. You can see all these imbalances that are left behind after they drop down, and I like to go to them. Okay, there's the buyers. You can see how easily they transacted on those buys, which is good. The buyers are present, but you see price didn't really move up that much, so they could be getting sold too. This could also be someone is taking profits. Let's see. But the price is holding out very well, which is good. I just want to see price push up, and they need to be very aggressive with the move up. There's another drop down. So my longs are just getting filled. That's a quick shift to the upside. You can see how quickly you need to act when you're playing the news, and how fast you can be in profits and losses, of course, as well. There's another push up. You can see a sweep, move up, a sweep, move up. So they're just trying to liquidate all the longs before they move up, and they're leaving clues behind to where they will go next. Right here. There's a push. I'm targeting these 60s right here. This VWAP, I can target this VWAP on the Nasdaq. That would be my profit target. Same with the S&P. So we are still below that huge buy that came in. It was at the 6935. They're coming back into that zone. They want to see if they can get a reaction from that player. They want to see what they will do. And the reaction is positive because they moved up. I want to see the break to this 50 MA with speed. They need to break to this 36 zone. 137 comes in. 143, so someone is buying, which is good. 182 on the sell side, but they didn't drop, which means they were sold too. I just need to see a quick sweep to the upside. A quick pop. Pulling from the offers. No one's really on the offers, so no one wants to sell as price is rising. Nasdaq's moving up, S&P should follow. Come on. You can see how price is tricky. They move up, they move down. You just gotta accept those facts. Use light size. Know where the TP is, know where you're out, and that's it. There's the push. TP is very close. Come on, can I get filled? There's the fill on the S&P, good. You can see how they went into those imbalances. I want to take two contracts profit on the Nasdaq because it moves very fast. You guys don't like to take my profits. This could be a small retrace to then continue to move up. And let's see. Pay attention to how the S&P behaves. It's still dropping, that's a fast drop. They close below the 50 MA. I'm just gonna still remain in this trade, maybe they can hold. Yeah. They could be dropping. Do you see that fast drop down, but how quickly it pushed up? This would be my stop. $207. Yeah, there's a big spread on the price. The book is getting very light, you can see. The amount of bids and offers is much less than usual. Because, of course, Newsday, FOMC, and all that stuff. And yeah. They came on close to my TP. You can see some bids being stacked, but they will hit it, yeah. And I'm out. So you can see how fast the move up happened. That's why you have to place your TPs. Take profit on the S&P. Left some money on the table on the Nasdaq. Didn't really took the full profits, but I took the 2 micros profit from the highs right here. Let the market do its thing. Let me drop down. And yeah. Twin trades, not gonna lie. Didn't really see that much of a profit, but as we said, if you're using less size, of course, we're gonna make less profit. But of course, it also means that we will lose less if price goes against us, which can always happen. You always have to factor that in. Always know how much you want to lose, how much you want to win. And yeah, that's it, guys. I hope you guys learned something.